I am going to splash Carl Weezer. Why? Because I really hate him so much.
Oh my God, Fritz! How dare you splash me with a water bucket now? Thanks to you, that's it. I will call your parents about this, and after that, I will tell Jimmy about this.
Oh my God, Fritz the cat. How dare you splash Carl Weezer? How now he has to clean up his shirt thanks to you. Can't you learn how to not to splash on people?
What your father just said is true, Fritz the cat. That's it. You are extremely grounded, until Nickelodeon plans a new Jimmy Neutron series. Go to your room now and be ashamed of yourself.